I'm Lesley Logan. Welcome back to my studio here in Los Angeles. We're continuing to go through all the mat exercises so that you can really dive into your mat practice more and take it with you. My entire goal about teaching Pilates and doing these videos is just so that you can do it better. Maybe you'll put me out of a job and you won't need me. I mean, you might still need me, but you never know. And I have these online mat classes that are only 30 minutes and we just flow from one exercise to the next. So sometimes you need something like this to just like break down an exercise. That's why I do these videos. So the last video we did was on spine stretch forward. If you have questions about that, you can go into the mat playlist and you can see the spine stretch forward videos. There's some old ones and then there's a very new one. So definitely check them out and see which one works for your body better. But as promised in last video, I talked about how I'd show you from going from spine stretch forward to open leg rocker. So ideally, you would go from spine stretch forward and you would just sit up, rock back, grab your legs, and go into your open leg rocker, okay? That would be amazing. But some of us are still learning it. So you may go, I can't do it. You just are too much in your quads and not in your stomach yet. So I would love for you to really hone in on your spine stretch forward, on getting more into your stomach and lifting that away from your thighs. That's gonna help create space back here. And then, use the other mat exercises, shoulder bridge, the abs series, the side kick series to strengthen that whole idea that the legs can be brought to the chest and away from the chest from the seat. If you have questions about that, you can comment below. So if you cannot bring your legs to you, you can always bend them, grab the fronts of your ankles, pull your stomach in, and then go into your open leg rocker. So you have two options. Spine stretch forward into open leg rocker, or bend your knees and take your legs up. Now I like to grab the front of the ankles these days because holding back here, it's really easy to hang off our shoulders. And then we are like, I can't get up. And that's because you're just kind of stuck. But if you grab the front, you're really reaching your arms forward. Then when you rock back and up, you actually have to use your stomach. So what I challenge you to do is never bend your elbows. So when you go back, don't let your elbows bend because that's you letting go of your shape. Keep this, it's just your spine stretch forward shape, and you're just trying to lift your sits bones to the sky. And the more you pull your stomach in, the more you pull your shoulders on your back, the easier it is. Now, after that, if you've been doing that really well, stay up here, close and open your legs. Think about your inner thighs and your outer thighs as you open and close. You should feel this deep in your center and really help you get the back of your legs on. Then if you can, you grab your toes. Flex your feet, and you go back and up. And this really challenges things, but if you can get yourself here, tees are gonna be one of the easiest things you've ever done. If you can't hold on to your toes, you can always reach past your toes and just practice this version without letting your legs drop. Try to keep your fingers past your toes, and then someday grab those toes and see if you can hold on without hanging off. So, from open leg rocker, there's a beautiful transition into corkscrew. I'll show that in the next video, but if you have any questions, let me know. However, going from spine stretch forward to open leg rocker back and forth is a really awesome way to teach yourself the strength, the strength that's in the stretch and the stretch that's in the strength. They just go really well together. So I challenge you to try both of them. If you have any questions, you can comment below or check out my classes on onlinepilatesclasses.com. They're only $5 a week. Have a great day. Thank you so much for watching.